Right now it's Wednesday afternoon. The wind is picking up. Overcast right now. It's dark outside. It's probably about 12 o'clock right now in the afternoon. And look at the sky. Wow. Actually 12:09. It's coming. Back of the house, everything is intact. Put down sandbags. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the wind is whipping right now. It's picking up, and it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. We're already experiencing rain, and I'm actually located in Orlando, Florida right now. So the storm is not even here yet, but it's raining. The wind is whipping. Experiencing a lot of thunder. We have tornado warning. So right now we have to stay inside. I'm actually recording from the garage right now, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted.
Individual and his dog did not succumb to the sea. We work quite a bit with the large ships, the commercial ships, and the passenger industry.
All right, guys.
Ships are
As you can see, I'm cleaning out my little spot on here. This is gonna be my little safe spot tonight. I don't plan to sleep, but if the windows are breaking, this is where I'm gonna end up going at right here. So I'm having it set up right now. So later, if the windows start, breaking, whatever, it's big enough to sleep me and my wife up in here. So as you can see, got this whole section right here. Then I got that part. So safe, no windows, it's a little storage spot, but it's gonna be our spot tonight. See it? All right.
Coming off the U.S. Coast Guard Admiral Linda Fagan.
Yes, I'm just clearing out everything right now. Get it ready.
Thank you.
All right, let's go straight now to the Chief of Police in Tampa, Lee Burkhardt. So glad Chief President Biden, Vice President Harris, and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu
So guys,
actually spoke on the phone
this is the emergency hurricane shelter.
Israel is expanding.
So there's no sleep for me tonight. I'm just getting this ready, prepared. If I have to get into the hurricane shelter.
Israeli Defense Minister
All right.
Yoav Gallant actually canceled his trip to Washington to meet with Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin today. Let's get straight to our Patrick Reeville, who's in Beirut. So Patrick, what do we know about this phone call?
Hi, Kira. Yeah, the White House and the Israeli Prime Minister's office have confirmed that there was a phone call this morning between President Biden and Kamala Harris with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. There's not many details yet. We know from Israeli media that it lasted about 50 minutes.
There you go.
I think it's a very significant
Preparation in full effect.
place within the
So
wait for Israel's
You know, if it get too bad, that's where we got to go up inside of here. And I got the door right here so I could close it. There we go. And that's located right under the staircase. Yep. See? Got the front windows over there. So there's no window. It's a little safe spot. You know. And we definitely don't want to stay upstairs tonight, because staying upstairs, no good. No good. You don't want to be nowhere high. You don't want to be nowhere up here tonight. Yep. Oh my God, look at it's whipping outside right now. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at that heavy pour of rain that went outside. Yeah, so definitely don't want to stay up here tonight. So we are staying downstairs in my little spot. Yep. All right, guys, let me give you all a quick update. Let me open this front door and see what's going on. Wow. The hurricane is still 9 hours away. And look at that. Heavy rain. Whoa. The rain is pouring right now. Oh my God. Woo. And it's still 9 hours away, guys, so you know it's going to be bad.